Boost your confidence in 10 days. Step-by-step guide. Hey leaders, welcome back to Gifted and Extraordinary Leaders. Today we're diving into a powerful topic, how to boost your confidence in just 10 days. Listen, I know what it feels like to struggle with self-doubt. You question yourself, you hold yourself back, you let opportunities pass you by because you don't think you're good enough. But let me tell you, you are good enough. You have greatness within you, and I'm here to help you unleash it. Over the next 10 days, we're going to rewire your mindset and transform the way you see yourself. We're talking practical, actionable steps that will empower you to show up as the confident, capable leader you truly are. If you're ready to unlock your full potential and step into your power, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's a skill you can develop. And in these next 10 days, I'm giving you practical, proven habits to help you thrive in both your personal and professional life. Look, we all have those moments of self-doubt creeping in. It's totally normal. But here's the thing. You don't have to let those doubts control you. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. Think about it. You weren't born knowing how to walk or talk, were you? No. You learned, you stumbled, you got back up, and you tried again. Confidence is no different. It's a process, and it's within your reach. Over these next 10 days, think of me as your personal confidence coach. We're going to break down these habits, work through them together, and by the end of it, you'll be amazed at the transformation you see in yourself. Remember, this isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about uncovering the confident, capable leader that's already inside of you. It's about silencing those negative voices in your head and replacing them with unshakable self-belief. It's about walking into a room and commanding attention, not because you're seeking validation, but because you know your worth. It's about speaking up for yourself, going after what you want, and not letting fear stand in your way. So, are you ready to unleash your inner rock star? Are you ready to ditch the self-doubt and step into your power? Let's do this. All right, leaders, let's dive into habit number 1. Starting your day with affirmations. Your thoughts have incredible power. They shape your beliefs, your actions, and, ultimately, your reality. So, how do you start your day with affirmations? It's simple, but don't mistake simple for easy. Every morning, before you check your phone, take a few minutes for yourself. Stand tall, look yourself in the eye, and say your affirmations out loud. And say them with conviction. Start with things like, I am worthy, I am capable, I am strong, I am confident, and I'm ready to succeed today. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. Your brain might resist at first, but don't engage with those doubts. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more you'll start to believe them. It's like planting seeds in your subconscious mind. You're rewiring your brain for success and confidence. So, are you ready to unleash the power of affirmations? I can't wait to hear how this habit transforms your mornings. Let's talk about habit number 2. Setting small, achievable goals. One of the fastest ways to kill confidence is to set yourself up for failure with unrealistic expectations. Lasting confidence isn't built on overnight success. It's built on a series of small wins that add up over time. Ditch the idea of making massive, sweeping changes overnight. Focus on setting small, achievable goals that move you closer to your bigger aspirations. What small step can you take today that will move you in the right direction? Remember, the key here is to set yourself up for success. Celebrate each win. So, what small, achievable goal are you going to conquer today? Remember, you've got this. It's time to talk about habit number 3. Using confident body language. Here's a secret. Confidence isn't just an inside job. It's also about how you carry yourself. Your body language is a powerful communication tool, and it can either work for you or against you. Think about it. When you see someone walking tall, shoulders back, head held high, with a genuine smile on their face, what do you think? You assume they're confident, capable, and in control, right? Now think about someone who's slouching, avoiding eye contact, and fidgeting nervously. It doesn't exactly scream confidence, does it? The amazing thing is that you can actually hack your confidence by consciously changing your body language. It's like tricking your brain into feeling more confident by acting confident. So, how do you do it? Start with your posture. Stand tall, as if there's a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Roll your shoulders back and down, and imagine a superhero cape billowing behind you. Next, make eye contact. It doesn't have to be intense or creepy. Just a few seconds of genuine connection can make a world of difference. And don't forget to smile. A genuine smile is contagious, and it instantly makes you appear more approachable and confident. Remember, your body language isn't just about how you present yourself to others. It's also about how you feel about yourself. When you stand tall and own your space, you feel more powerful and in control. So, channel your inner superhero, strike a power pose, and watch your confidence soar. Leaders, let's talk about habit number 4, a powerful tool for building lasting confidence. Daily reflection. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to get caught up in the never-ending to-do list and forget to acknowledge our accomplishments. We tend to focus on what we didn't do, what we could have done better, or what's still left to be done. This negative self-talk can be a major confidence killer. That's where daily reflection comes in. Taking just a few minutes at the end of each day to reflect on your wins, no matter how small they may seem, can have a profound impact on your confidence levels. Here's how to do it. Grab a journal, open up a note on your phone, or simply take a few minutes to yourself before bed. Think back on your day and ask yourself, what went well today? What am I proud of accomplishing? Maybe you finally tackled that challenging project at work. Maybe you had a heartfelt conversation with a loved one. Or maybe you simply managed to stay calm and collected during a stressful situation. Write down at least one thing, big or small, that you're proud of. By focusing on your wins, you're essentially retraining your brain to look for the positive, to celebrate your accomplishments, and to build your self-belief. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about recognizing your progress and giving yourself credit for how far you've come. So, tonight, before you drift off to sleep, take a few minutes to reflect on your day. Celebrate your wins, big or small, and watch your confidence soar. Ready for habit number 5? It's all about your environment, and it's a game changer. Surround yourself with positivity. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, right? Well, it's true. The people you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your mindset, your beliefs, and ultimately, your confidence. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, criticism, and self-doubt, it's going to be tough to cultivate a strong sense of self-belief. On the other hand, if you surround yourself with positive, supportive, and uplifting people, their energy will rub off on you. You'll start to see yourself through their eyes, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. So take a good look at your inner circle. Are the people you spend the most time with lifting you up or dragging you down? Do they believe in you? Do they support your dreams? Do they challenge you to grow? If the answer is no, it might be time to make some changes. This doesn't mean you have to cut people out of your life entirely. Just be mindful of the energy you allow into your space. Seek out positive influences. Connect with people who inspire you, motivate you, and make you feel good about yourself. Join groups or communities that align with your interests and values. Remember, you deserve to be surrounded by people who believe in you, who support you, and who celebrate your successes. So take a look around Make some adjustments if needed, and watch your confidence soar as you surround yourself with the positive energy you deserve. As Maya Angelou beautifully said, "My mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive, and do so with some passion, some compassion, some humor, and some style." Leaders, thriving starts with believing in yourself. Over these past 10 days, we've dug deep, we've challenged ourselves, and we've started to rewrite the narrative we tell ourselves. But this isn't the end. It's just the beginning. Now, it's time to take these habits out into the world and let your confidence shine. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and share a moment when you felt your most confident. Let's inspire one another. Thanks for watching. Until next time.